In the 1920s, one American factory was making radios on an incredible scale. This was the Atwater Kent factory in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. By the late 1920s, the company had become the largest radio producer in the world. Then came an enormous new factory, built in Philadelphia in 1929. Its north plant covered a staggering 470,000 square feet of roof structure. Inside, workers manufactured radios and electrical components on an industrial scale. The factory became part of America's explosive rise of radio technology. Families across America were discovering a new way to hear news, music, and entertainment. But the giant radio empire eventually disappeared, leaving behind a remarkable piece of industrial history. Today, its forgotten factory tells the story of when radio helped transform American life.